Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I will let you know about best comic reader applications. As we know, comics is a medium used to express narratives or other ideas through images, usually combined with text. Nowadays, we can read comics online and we can revisit them multiple times. So, digital comics are more popular than ever. Many readers prefer digital and there are a lot of comic book e-readers. So, I am suggesting here top comic online applications. First application is Comixology. Click on the Comixology application. This application has a massive library of digital comics ranging from heroes to action and horror. Additionally, this site offers hundreds of free comics to read online. It also offers classic comics, and this site is a cloud based digital distribution comics owned by Amazon, making it a reliable place to get quality comics. To read comics on this site, create an account and sign in, or you can also use your Amazon account to sign in. Here you can see the featured, new, popular comics, top rated comics, and free comics. The comics which you like, you can download and read it. Here I have downloaded Walking Dead comic. Read. It has a guided view format that makes reading enjoyable. And you can navigate easily to any page. Here you can see the settings. Go back. Here you can see so many options: smart list, my books, wish list, and also you can browse by publishers. All the featured and series under these publishers we can get in a one place. So collectively it is a pretty good application to use. Second application is Marvel Comics. It is a must-have comic app for fans of Marvel Universe and comic book collectors. Click on Marvel Comics application. This application has augmented reality tools that will bring reading process to a whole new level. In this application, we can revive the favorite printed comic books including its covers. This application enables to read and download thousands of comics including exclusive ones. But there are some comics which we can read and download for free. To use this, first we have to create an account in Marvel Comics application. After signing in, you can easily download the comic which you like and read it. Here it's showing featured comics, new comics, popular comics, top rated comics, and also we will get a lot of free comics to read. Click on any comic which you like to read and you can also wishlist the comic. I am going now to my books collection. Here I have already downloaded one comic. Click on it. You can read the comic by swiping left, and also you can easily navigate to any page. Click on this to see the settings tab. Go back. In this application you also have smart list, my books, wish list option, and also you can browse by series, creators and story arcs. Click on series and you can select the comic which you want to read. So it's a unique application to read comics online. Third application is DC Comics. Click on the DC Comics application. This is the official application that gives access to full DC comic book collection. To use this application, first create an account and sign in. DC Comics stands for Detective Comics. This is the company that birthed Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and other iconic characters. This application enables you to keep the whole DC universe in your pocket. It also gives update about the latest news related to DC. It has a large library of DC comic books, including very old ones. Here you can see the featured comics, Wonder Woman collections, DC Digital First, and also new comics, popular comics, top rated comics, and also free comics. Find a book that interests you and download it and start reading. I have already downloaded one that will be in My Books tab. Click on it. Swipe left to read it. Here you can easily navigate between pages. And also you have Settings tab. Here you can see options like Smart List, My Books, Wish List, and also you can browse by imprints, series, story arcs, genre, creators. So this application is a must to try if you are a fan of DC Universe. Fourth application is Webcomics. Click on Webcomics application. It is one of the most popular comic reading platform for youths. Lots of exclusive comics are available. You can switch between passion and adventure here. Free comics are released every day. It is very easy to use also. You can see today's picks, new comics, weekly top comics, rising comics, must read comics. I am selecting one of the comics here, Chronicles Reset. Here you can see its description, chapters, comments also for the comics. You can download or you can make it as a favorite. Here you can see how we can read the comics here. And also here you have a community to discuss about comics. So it is a great application to read comics online. Fifth application is Madefire Comics. Click on Madefire Comics. It is a nice comic reader application that will impress you with its concept and unique features. It turns your beloved comics into motion comics with transition and sound effects. I will show that. And it has a large top publishers including Marvel and DC. It updates its comics every week. Here you can see new comics, recommended, free books, featured publishers, and also you have new releases. And I have downloaded one comic, Star Trek. Click on this. Here you can see episode 1, 2. I will click on episode 1. So you can see here comics with transition and sound effects. So it is a great application for comic lovers. All the applications I mentioned can be downloaded free from the Play Store. So guys, download any of the application and enjoy reading comics online. Thank you.